Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was a jurist, social reformer, and politician. He is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution. A well-known politician and an eminent jurist, his efforts to eradicate social evils like untouchability and caste restrictions were remarkable. Throughout his life, he fought for the rights of the Dalits and other socially backward classes. Ambedkar was appointed as India's first law minister in the cabinet of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 1990. Childhood and early life. Bhimrao Ambedkar was born to Bhimabai and Ramji on 14th April 1891 in Mahau Army Cantonment, Central Provinces, Madhya Pradesh. Ambedkar's father was a subedar in the Indian Army, and after his retirement in 1894, the family moved to Satara, also in Central Provinces. In 1906, 15-year-old Bhimrao married Ramabai, a 9-year-old girl. His father, Ramji Sakpal, died in Bombay in 1912. Throughout his childhood, Ambedkar faced the stigmas of caste discrimination. Ambedkar was appointed as the Defence Secretary to the King of Baroda, but there also he had to face the humiliation of being an untouchable. Education. He cleared his matriculation in 1908 from Elphinstone High School. In 1908, Ambedkar got the opportunity to study at Elphinstone College and obtained his graduate degree in Economics and Political Science in the year 1912 from Bombay University. Besides clearing all the exams successfully, Ambedkar also obtained a scholarship of 25 rupees a month from the Gaikwad ruler of Baroda, Sayaji Rao III. Ambedkar decided to use the money for higher studies in the USA. He enrolled in the Columbia University in New York City to study economics. Movement against caste discrimination. After returning to India, Bhimrao Ambedkar decided to fight against the caste discrimination. In his testimony before the Southborough Committee in preparation of the Government of India Act in 1919, Ambedkar opined that there should be a separate electoral system for the untouchables and other marginalized communities. He contemplated the idea of reservations for Dalits and other religious outcasts. Ambedkar started his legal career after passing the bar course in Gray's Inn. He applied his litigious skills in advocating cases of caste discrimination.